What's going on, everybody? It's Trey Neal here with Trading Stocks. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'm going to be going over the tools and software that I use to help assist in my trading. There's over 5 tools in this video that I'm going to show you that I think will really help to improve your trading. Some of them, actually all of them, you can use for free. Some have like paid options that make them better. I only pay for one of them, but even that one you can use for free as well. So none of this you have to pay for, nothing like that. All of this is free toolings that are going to help make you a better trader. I use them personally, so I want to show them to you. There's not any kind of advertisement shills, anything like that. Everything I'm showing you, I do personally use. So hopefully you're excited for it. If you are, hit the like button if you're new around here. Hit the red subscribe button. With that being said, let's jump into the first tool and the sponsor of today's stream, me. My stream, Trading Stocks, twitch.tv/Trading Stocks. I really do think, look, did I make this whole video to show my Twitch stream? Anyway, I do think watching somebody trade live is super useful. I think it's the best way to help educate yourself is to watch another trader trade live. And not only that, hell, that's probably not even the best part of why I'm bringing it up as a tool. The best part about why I'm bringing this up as a tool is because of my chat. I'm not big time or anything, but I pull a couple hundred viewers every morning, and I'm going to put a screenshot of my chat somewhere on screen now to kind of give you an idea. But have the chat open, come to the streams 7 a.m., 2.5 hours before market open every morning. I'm live, and I'm live through an hour into market open as well. Live trading, my chat will be calling stocks that are moving. There's traders in there that are much better than me, that are very helpful. So it pretty much acts as a stock screener, a source of education, and just kind of a place to hang out, talk about stocks that are moving with other people as well. Once again, all free. Please don't pay to join someone's stream. Nowadays, there's so many good traders. Even if my stream's not the one you want to watch, you don't like me that much, fine. Go to Twitch, go to the stocks and bonds category, find somebody's stream to watch. There's plenty of amazing free streamers in that category. So come check me out at Trading Stocks on Twitch. If you don't know what Twitch is, it's like YouTube, but for live streaming. It's owned by Amazon. Nothing shady, anything like that. It's a huge company. So come to twitch.tv, Trading Stocks. Follow me there. There'll be a follow button to hit here. And yeah, check it out. Have the chat open and talk to us there. That's a great source, once again, for education and for free stock screening. Now, let's start to get into a little bit more of the obvious stuff. My brokerage. My brokerage that I use, obviously, you need a brokerage. Brokerage is what you take your trades with. My brokerage is TD Ameritrade. This is their active trader software. They call it Think or Swim. That is the active trader software that I use to trade with. I'm not going to super deep dive into this. I've already made some deep dive Think or Swim videos, and on this channel you're going to continue to get more of that. But there is a couple of things I want to go into. So obviously all your trading tools here, this is how you take your trades. La-di-la. Once again, not going to get super into that. This also has a scan section, and I have a bunch of scans I have made. These are all scans that I have personally made. So this also acts as a great stock scanner. Once again, not going to get into that today, but subscribe to the YouTube channel because I will go over a lot of these scans and even any scans I make in the future on this YouTube channel. So if you're interested in learning how to set up kind of your Think or Swim and to create scans to find stocks to trade, once again, subscribe to the YouTube channel. And then I already have made a video on this as well, but this is another tool, another big tool that I use. There's a chat room section up in the top right of Think or Swim. You click on that, click on Benzinga Squawk, click on listen. You're going to have somebody from Benzinga Squawk, his name's Charlie, 90% of the time it's Charlie, who is reading live stock news out to you as it happens. That is a huge free tool software, free news, free real-time news software that comes when you use Think or Swim. That's another tool that greatly helps me in my trading. Now, next, let's jump into some of the websites that I use, some of the software that I use. By the way, all of these websites will be linked down below, so you don't need to try to memorize any of the URLs or anything like that. But this is the website I go to every single morning. It's just Benzinga Pre-Market. It's literally just a website that shows you pre-market gainers, pre-market losers, because the way I trade, scalping low float momentum stocks, I need to be trading, or I want to be trading the largest gappers, the most volatility in the market. So every morning I log on and I come look at this list. As we're getting into this, actually, I want to pull up another tool that I use because I actually do use this as well. I also do have a Webull account and I use Webull as a tool. Webull is a great tool. I don't use them as my brokerage. Webull is a brokerage. Obviously, as I just told you guys, I use TD Ameritrade to take my trades, but it doesn't mean that Webull isn't a great tool. And with Webull, you can create watch lists. This kind of why I wanted to get into it, because it shows you top gainers from the last day. You can look up pre-market gainers. You can look up after hours gainers. You can look up the biggest gainers of the last month. This is a really, really cool tool. Losers. You can look up most active stocks. You can look up recent IPOs. There's all kinds of other widgets you can add to this. And another huge thing is their level 2. It's not going to be working right now because the markets are closed, but you guys have seen my level 2 before. If you don't know what level 2 is, that's how you see support. That's how you see resistance. That's how you see bids versus asks. Webull's level 2, way better than Thinkorswim's level 2. So that's another huge reason why I use Webull. Just that's another tool that I use. Once again, will be linked in the description. If you use my link, you'll get a free stock. I'll get a free stock. We all win. But once again, not just trying to shill it to you guys. It is something that I actually use. So next website is Charts Watchers. I believe I've made a video on this channel about this as well, but this is my high of day scanner. So it's app.chartswatchers.com. Once again, link in the description down below, but this is where I get my high of day scanner from. As you can see, no dashboard time left today. This is one of those tools that I told you about. It is free. Obviously, I don't pay for it. You can pay $30 a month. You get unlimited dashboard time. You get like extra access to stuff, extra stuff. But for the free version, they allow you to be on the dashboard for 3 hours a day. And for the way I trade, just looking at the kind of opening bell trading session, 3 hours of a high of day scanner is good enough for me. And the high of day scanner is still real time. It's still live. It's still active, even with the free version. So the free version works well enough for me. So not TraderView, that's what we're going to next. Charts Watchers is my high of day scanning tool. TraderView is my trader tracking tool. If you are not tracking your trades, if you are not journaling your trades or using some kind of software to be tracking your trades, and I would definitely suggest using a software. I used to track my trades with just an Excel sheet. And while that's fine and dandy, I'm going to get into a couple of things with TraderView here to show you why this is so much more useful. This is old data. This is from November 11th, 2021 was my last picture here. I'm not showing you my most recent because I've got some things cooking for you guys on kind of my recent trading journey. So this is just an old picture. Looks like November of 2021 was a little bit of a shady month for me. Nice comeback, Trey. But yeah, you need to be using some kind of software. TraderView is what I use. Once again, the account I'm currently logged into is not the paid version, but the real account that I use. I do have another account now that does pay $30 a month for TraderView. But even with the free version, you get this overview. So you get like this kind of breakdown of your trades. You can see this cool detailed screen, which is super, super useful. I can come in, look, November wasn't a great month for me. It was like about a break-even month for me. What went wrong? What did I do wrong? We go to the detailed. Look, we're winning 54% of our trades. That's not that bad. You're winning over half your trades, not that bad. But you can see my average losers were bigger than my average winners. That's not good. That's something we look to fix, right? And then we can look over here and we can automatically see, oh, look, we're holding our losers for longer than we're holding our winners. So it looks like we're not cutting our losers fast enough. You see how quickly a tracking tool like TraderView starts to enable you to be able to see your flaws as a trader, and you can kind of pinpoint the things that you need to work on. That is massive for your trading journey, to be able to look across your trades like this, at a detailed selection like this, to be able to pinpoint mistakes that you are making in your journey. I'm telling you, it's super, super important to be using something like this. Once again, TraderView is the one I go with. You can import, you have to like manually import your trades, but they have, I think, any brokerage you can think of on the list for things you can import from. So that is all of that. Now, the next tool I want to show you, or the next website I want to show you, is Finviz. This is a very, very useful tool as well. There's all kinds of stuff on this website. I'm not going to super deep dive into Finviz in this video. That will probably be coming in the channel as well. So once again, subscribe for more Finviz information. But I'm going to give you guys an oversight real quick. The big thing I use this for is before I will enter a trade, I will flip through these stocks. So I'm just trying to, let's just go to AMC. That's everybody's favorite stock. Let's just go to AMC if one came top of my head. I can immediately come to this and see the shares float, right? So I want to be trading low float stocks. To me, float is under 30 million. So I can come quickly type whatever stock I'm looking at trading into Finviz, get an idea of the float, get an idea of the market cap, get an idea of the institutional ownership and the insider ownership. All that stuff is important to my at least strategy. Some of those numbers need to match up to my rules to meet my strategy. So Finviz is another super important tool that I use. Just quickly, there's another kind of section of Finviz. This is Finviz Groups, where you can see the performance of the sectors in the market. So you can start to break down, well, look, energy has been crushing the last year, last 3 months, last 1 month, last week. Energy is the strongest sector in the market. You can then click on that and start to kind of break down, well, what are, go to technical, go to change, what's up 7%. These are the strongest stocks in the strongest sector in the market. Just something else you can use with Finviz. It's another very, very useful tool. So that's everything I wanted to cover in today's video. We covered my own stream. That's useful for, once again, education, stocks being called out, watching me trade, just entertainment as well. Twitch.tv/trading stocks. Covered Thinkorswim, covered Webull, and then we went over, oh, hey, I clicked on this on accident, but come join the Discord as well if you would like to, another place where we talk about stocks throughout the afternoons and stuff. But we covered my pre-market scanner, my high-a-day scanner, my trade tracking software, sorry, I'm trying to figure out, where's the reports? My trade tracking software. We went over Finviz. So that is everything that I use, all the software / websites that I use in my trading. Once again, we didn't deep dive into any of it. I will be making videos deep diving each and every one of these, though, on this channel in the future. So once again, if you want to kind of learn more about it, the point of this video was just kind of put them out there in front of you. They're all linked in the description down below. You guys can kind of start to use them, start to figure them out, mold them yourselves, and then I will go over how I use them in future videos. So hopefully you're excited for that as well. If you did enjoy today's video, if you found any of this useful, if you're going to use any of these tools in the future, let me know in the comment section. Hit the like button, hit the red subscribe button. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.